Welcome to WildApricot, your all-in-one membership management system. With WildApricot, you can import your organization's members and contacts into your database, or build your organization from the ground up by placing a membership application form on your WildApricot website. Speaking of websites, you can build and design a one-of-a-kind site for your organization using a website builder. Choose a template you'd like, create site pages, add gadgets, and make your content member exclusive. If you already have a website you love and you want to keep it, no problem. You can embed WildApricot widgets on your existing site and use our system as a back-end management tool. Additionally, you can create events and sell tickets online, set up automated emails to keep members informed about things like membership dues and upcoming events, or design a customized email newsletter that reflects your organization's branding and drives member engagement. Select the online payment system that works best for you and review your organization's financial earnings using WildApricot's Financial Reports tool. Let's take a look at each of these features in more depth.
Membership is WildApricot's most important feature, driving everything else the system can do. You can create as many membership levels as you'd like, free or paid, monthly or annual, and a whole lot more. For starters, we provide the ability to create both individual and bundle memberships. Individual is exactly what you'd expect, one membership per person. Bundles, meanwhile, provide the ability for someone to buy a membership that covers a group of members. Think family memberships. For example, a parent might purchase a bundle membership for 4 people for their household, add their spouse, and their 2 kids. And all of that can be done self-service, taking the administrative load off your shoulders. That's a huge priority. Let's take a look at some of the other ways WildApricot can completely streamline your membership process with WildApricot. Renewal reminders can be customized and sent out ahead of a member's renewal date automatically. Include their invoice for easy payment, or even enable automatically recurring payments. Now, recurring payments in particular make it so much easier for your members to stick with your organization long term. And we make it easy to make it easy. Just check that box in your levels settings and you're good to go. Now, having said that, you also have total control over what happens if someone opts not to renew. Just tell WildApricot how much of a grace period you'd like to give your members, what messaging you'd like to communicate by email, and when to cut them off. Because everything's connected, this will also ensure that any members-only features they previously had access to are paused until they renew, and they can do that from their profile at any time. We know every organization has specific information that they need to track about their members. Know that you can create as many fields as you'd like in order to track any information that you need. We provide a few to get you started, such as first name, last name, and email, and you can expand it however you'd like from there. Create fields for everyone, or just certain membership levels, or administrators. Privacy is also important, and you choose whether information entered into a field is visible to the public, just other active members, or remains between that member and your admin team. But what good is all that information if you can't report on it? WildApricot provides an advanced search tool, allowing you to pull up lists of members based on any combination of fields in your database. You can save these lists, email them, or download them to a spreadsheet and take them outside the system. Now, speaking of spreadsheets, you may already have a membership roster. As long as you can get it into a spreadsheet, and it may already be in one, you can upload it into WildApricot with the help of our import wizard. It'll help you map your fields to our own, create new ones on the fly, and preserve all of that important information that you've worked to build.
Alright, let's move on to WildApricot's exceptional event management system. A crucial component that seamlessly ties together with the power of our membership feature. Hosting events, conferences, or gatherings has never been easier, more efficient, or more enjoyable. With WildApricot, you have the flexibility to create a wide variety of events tailored to your organization's needs. Whether it's a small workshop, a large-scale conference, or anything in between, we've got you covered. You can set up single events or even multi-session events all within a few clicks. Customization is key, and WildApricot allows you to personalize event details such as names, descriptions, locations, dates, and ticket pricing. Choose from 2 streamlined event registration forms. the simple form for free events requiring an RSVP, and the advanced form for more complex events including paid events, gatherings with guests, and multi-day conferences. Attendee registration is seamless and secure, with various payment methods available. No more missed opportunities due to complicated registration processes. WildApricot automatically captures and stores attendee information, streamlining check-ins and ensuring a comprehensive record of event participation. As an organizer, you can set attendee limits, create waitlists, and set up automatic notifications for last-minute changes or cancellations. Our built-in email marketing tool helps you promote events to your contact list or targeted segments. During your event, our robust check-in features manage walk-in registrations and on-site payments, providing real-time attendance reports. After the event, our reporting and analytics tools offer valuable insight for informed decision-making and refining strategies. WildApricot's seamless integration with the membership feature means all your membership data syncs effortlessly with event registrations, allowing you to offer exclusive member discounts and access to member-only events. WildApricot's event management system takes the stress out of organizing events, providing you a joyous and streamlined experience for both organizers and attendees. With user-friendly interfaces, powerful customization, and smart automation, create memorable events that leave a lasting impact on your community.
Speaking of community, we know that regular communication is key. That's why we've created a robust emailing tool to help you keep your members and contacts updated and in the know. There are 2 different email types that can be sent to your members and contacts: automatic emails and manual emails. We'll start with automatic emails. You can think of these as emails that are sent out in response to an action taken by one of your members or contacts. For example, if a member registers for an event on your website, they can automatically receive an email confirming their registration details without any additional input from an administrator. Automatic emails may apply in other actions too, like membership applications, invoice payments, and upcoming renewal date reminders. Now that we've discussed automatic emails, let's pivot back to manual emails. These are emails you can send out yourself. You can think of these as email blasts or newsletters. With our manual emailing system, you have access to our collection of professionally designed email templates. You can further customize these emails by adding photos, text fonts, inserting macros, and other personal touches to help solidify your organization's branding. After your email has been written and designed, simply choose your recipient list. You can send your manual email immediately or schedule it to be delivered at a particular date and time. If you'd like to later review your sent emails, head over to your email log to see a list of all the emails you've sent, the delivery status, as well as click-through and open metrics.
Your website is the hub that brings everything together for your members. Membership application forms, event calendars, directories, and any other content you'd like to share. Simply drag and drop WildApricot's gadgets onto your pages to assemble your site. No coding required. Of course, if you're a web designer at heart or just a tinkerer, we do have support for both custom CSS and JavaScript code, and that opens up a whole new world of possibilities for styling and custom integrations. Don't worry though, we also offer a colors and styles suite to make broad changes to many of the colors and fonts on your site for quick and easy modifications. You can even lock content down to certain membership levels or groups, ensuring that only those who should have access do. Because WildApricot's an all-in-one, this process is automatic. It simply reads the profile of the person logging in, checks their membership status, and updates the site's menu accordingly. And yes, we host any websites constructed with our site builder. That's included in your monthly or annual subscription fee. Oh, and don't worry if you have a website you're happy with already. WildApricot offers embeddable widgets that enable you to bring our member-facing forms and functions into your existing site. This includes the membership application form, member profile pages where members can log in and update their information and renew, the event calendar, and more. Just copy and paste one of our pre-made code snippets into your site, and you're good to go. And no matter what direction you take, know that you can rely on us for secure, reliable hosting of your most important organizational functions.
At WildApricot, we pride ourselves on providing the tools you need to effortlessly integrate online payments into your website. Whether it's membership dues, event registrations, donations, or invoice payments, our platform has got you covered. When it comes to security, we take it seriously. That's why we've partnered with top-notch payment gateways, ensuring every transaction is rock-solid secure. With multiple options to choose from, including our preferred payment gateway, WildApricot Payments, powered by AffiniPay, as well as PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net, you can rest assured that your members' sensitive data and your organization's financial integrity are in safe hands. But that's not all. Convenience is at the heart of our platform. WildApricot automatically generates and sends invoices to your members and customers, taking the burden of manual invoicing off your shoulders. Plus, our friendly payment reminders reduce the chances of missed payments, keeping everyone on track. Managing your finances has never been easier. Our finance reporting module lets you track every invoice generated, payment collected, and refund issued in real time. Gain valuable insight into your organization's financial performance, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that steer your organization towards success. Getting started is a breeze too. Simply set up your WildApricot account, select your preferred payment gateway, and customize payment options for memberships, events, donations, and invoices. Your members and customers will love the seamless payment process, and automatic invoices will keep your finance reporting up to date in real time.
We wanted to highlight some extra add-on features offered by WildApricot, namely our job board and our text notification service. Let's start with our job board feature. By setting up a job board on your website, visitors can browse your own personalized job listings page and apply for them directly through the site. In addition, both members and non-members can post jobs for a fee, which is a great way to generate non-dues revenue for your organization. You can define a special discounted price for members, or even make posts free for them. Applications and posts are handled automatically, meaning you no longer have to worry about manual administration here. Here's what you need to know. Employers posting jobs can select a posting duration of 30, 60, or 90 days. The job will be dropped from the board automatically after that 30, 60, or 90-day period has lapsed, but they can renew their posting as well. Now, what is the cost? The job board works on a revenue share model. 70% of the revenue you generate on the board will go to you, and 30% of the revenue will go to WildApricot. Each quarter, you'll receive a payment with any revenue you generated through your board. If you don't charge anything for your job postings, that's totally fine as well. In this case, you can just use the job board for free. Next, I'd like to highlight WildApricot's texting notification service. This enables you to send text messages to your members and other contacts once you've upgraded to a paid subscription plan. Some examples of contacts you may want to text include members who haven't renewed yet, recipients who haven't opened a particular newsletter, or perhaps contacts with email delivery disabled. You'll start with choosing your recipients based on some sort of filter. You'll type your message, and then choose the recipient's first and last name. You can send your text now or schedule it for later. The system will calculate the cost and add it to your monthly invoice. Now, an important thing to note, the service is only available in the US and Canada. You are only able to send text messages to people in these two countries at this time. Membership, events, emails, websites, finances, and online payments. You can do it all with WildApricot, all in one place. Click the link below this video to get started with your free 60-day trial. As soon as you're in, book a call with our coaches. We'd love to chat with you about your specific needs, answer any outstanding questions, and guide you in your first steps to empowering your organization.